This is the bed is already covered. So let's do the outside. This is the gymnastics. Oh, my brother was cooking. Oh, that's my dirty things. First, remove my slide. Uy! Remove na ako. Remove. Alam mo. Uy! Tama na. Uy! Already broken. Uy! Yung mga na. Ma! Yung mga na. Uy! Sure. Wait! No! Stop! What's it? Against dito sa nina. Inas dito sa nina. Kaya na ito ba ani? Kuan. I put it on my bed because baby like summer. Ito mama babaw. Wait for part 3 of my picture. Oh, my hair. Wait for part 3, guys.